We are here at some building in Old Montreal that I don't know the name of. And look what I found. Actually, no, I did film these before, actually. I think. Let's see how high we can go. Look at this, we got prestige elevators. Here we are on 4. Oh. Let's see. Actually, I don't know if these are the same ones I filmed, but they look identical though. These are really, really cool. Whoa! It's got power stop. We'll go to 3. There was a guy at the desk at 4. Here we are on 3. Oh. RC. Prestige. Got GAL fixtures. We'll watch the arrow go out. Here we are on RC. We'll send this one up. And we'll try to get the other one. Same cab as the other one. Let's see if this one goes any higher. Oh, we can go to 5 on this one. Sweet. Here we are on 5. Look at this. Back down to RC. And you got a rotary phone in here. Again, prestige. These elevators are certainly prestigious, I can tell you that. Because they're totally original with old GAL. Here we are on RC. And you know what? I'm gonna give this one more ride. These are nice. Here we are on 5. And we're gonna get off on RC. That's open. And this, I believe, is door closed. Yep. And here we are on RC. Nice leveling. And anyways, there it goes. Look at this beautiful lobby. It's the Duluth building is the name of the building. And we're gonna look out. Yep. It's right in the heart of old Montreal, 84 Notre Dame. And anyways, that's gonna be it.